In this video of the concrete detailing in Revit video series, you will learn how the Autodesk BIM Collaborate offering can help you perform rebar clash detection using model coordination. Autodesk BIM Collaborate enables project teams to align and execute on design intent by managing the entire design collaboration and coordination workflows from a single solution to reduce rework, improve productivity, and accelerate project delivery. Model coordination provides a space to upload, review, and detect clashes between your latest set of 3D project models. The model coordination feature can be utilized not only for multidisciplinary coordination, but also for coordination within a single discipline. Until recently, when running rebar clash checking, we had to leave only the reinforcing bars in our view using the model browser to avoid situations where we had many clashes that weren't really clashes, specifically between the rebar and the concrete host. Unfortunately, this meant that we could only see the bars themselves without seeing the context, such as concrete hosts. One of the recently added features in model coordination is the ability to create object exclusions while running automated clash checks. It is similar to creating rules in Navisworks to exclude objects from clashing. Let's see this workflow in action. Here is the previously mentioned situation where we have a large number of potential clashes due to the fact that concrete elements are hosts for rebars. Of course, these cases don't represent actual clashes. I can easily handle this by defining an object exclusion. It is a feature that most BIM managers and BIM coordinators have been waiting for. The Objects Exclusions tab allows you to exclude specific objects from models which are turned on for automatic clash. This means you don't have to include the whole model in clash if not desired. Creating an object exclusion is a process that can be accomplished in 3 simple steps. First, you need to select the models which objects you want to exclude from clashes. Step 2. The selected models will be loaded into the model viewer. You can investigate these models, look for relevant properties, and apply rules to exclude objects. In my case, I am searching for the structural material property and selecting concrete. The final step is to define a name for your exclusion. When the concrete exclusion has been defined, I need to run the clash check again. Please note that the number of clashes has decreased from several hundred to a dozen or so. Let's have a look at the results. As you can see, objects excluded from automatic clash detection are still visible, but they aren't checked for clashes. If you still see a clash that you don't consider to be a valid clash, you can easily remove it from the results list by marking it as not an issue. Finally, I only have 9 clashes between rebars, and these are indeed real clashes for which issues should be defined. That's all for this part of the concrete detailing in Revit video series. Thank you for watching and happy reinforcement modeling!